Welcome to our video tutorial. Today, we'll be discussing 5 simple exercises to incorporate into your daily workout. These exercises are perfect for beginners or anyone looking to switch up their routine. Our first exercise is the classic push-up. Start in a high plank position, then lower your body until your chest touches the floor. Push yourself back up. This excellent exercise targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. It even works your core. Next, we have squats. Stand with your feet apart, bend your knees, and lower down like you're sitting on a chair. Rise back up, repeat. Squats primarily work your thighs, hips, and buttocks, improving both strength and flexibility. Moving on to lunges. Step forward with one foot while lowering your hips until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Push yourself back up and repeat with the other leg. Lunges work your lower body and help improve balance. Our fourth exercise is the plank. Start in a push-up position but rest on your forearms. Hold your body straight and maintain the position as long as you can. Planks are a wonderful core strength exercise aiding in posture improvement. Lastly, we have jumping jacks, a great cardio exercise. Stand upright, then jump and spread your legs while swinging your arms above your head. Jump back to the starting position and repeat. It's fun and good for heart health. Remember, consistency is key for any exercise routine. Start with small repetitions and gradually increase as you build endurance. It's not about how much you can do, it's about maintaining regularity and improving over time. Mind your form while exercising. Proper form ensures you're effectively targeting the intended muscles and reduces the risk of injury. If you're unsure, don't hesitate to seek professional advice or watch instructional videos. Ensure you're wearing the correct gear. Comfortable clothing and supportive footwear can make a significant difference in your workout. Uncomfortable gear could hinder your movements and potentially lead to injuries. Remember to keep yourself hydrated. Your body loses a lot of water during workouts. Drink plenty of fluids before, during, and after your workout to keep your body functioning optimally. Don't forget to warm up before starting your routine. Warming up prepares your body for the workout, reducing the risk of injury. Even a short 5-minute warm-up can make a huge difference. Similarly, cooling down after your workout is equally necessary. It helps your heart rate and breathing return to normal and can help prevent muscle stiffness. Simple stretching exercises are perfect for cooling down. Listening to your body is imperative. If you experience discomfort or pain during any exercise, stop immediately. Pain is a warning sign that something might not be right, and ignoring it could lead to serious injuries. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. Celebrate small victories and keep pushing forward. You're stronger than you think. Try incorporating these exercises into your daily workout routine. You'll be amazed at how these simple exercises can provide a well-rounded workout. Remember, the key is consistency, not intensity. That wraps up our video tutorial on 5 simple exercises to incorporate into your daily workout. Stick with it, and you'll see improvements in your strength, endurance, and overall fitness. See you in our next video. Remember, regular exercise combined with a balanced diet is the path to a healthy lifestyle. Now get out there and start sweating. Thank you for joining us today and happy exercising.
This video was brought to you by the Advoop Media Group of Canada. If you found these short videos helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your loved ones, and most importantly, hit the subscribe button to stay ahead of the curve with our upcoming videos. Your support fuels our passion to bring you more of the top-notch content you deserve. Stay tuned for more exciting updates. Thank you for being a part of this community. See you in the next video.